So can you see the light right here? After I put on the cover and the filter inside there, as soon as I put on the cover, you can see the sheet metal right here pull inwards and it bows. So it's like a U. It's touching here, it's touching here, but this has pulled backwards like that. This has pulled in like that after putting in a brand new filter. The restriction of even a 2-inch 20 by 30 on this 5-ton unit literally has so much restriction it pulls in, and that's the new filter. Here's the old filter. As you can see, it was really plugged. Well, we're replacing a burnt out motor because these have the ECM motors inside them. Second motor to burn out. Yes, so who believes the factory size filter that comes inside these units is the correct size filter? I don't think so. And I think many of us know that, and there's some people who will argue that fact. Unless you put one of those hog hair filters that only are good enough to stop small children and puppy dogs. But other than that, this side filter should never be used on this size system. Now, if you told me 36 inches by 48 inches, I would probably give you a thumbs up. But a 20 by 30 on a 5-ton, no way. I know somebody's gonna argue.